What's up, traders? It's Wade yet again from MeyerFx Trading. Hope you all doing well. Hope you all had an amazing week last week. But as always, you know what I'm here. I'm here to do my weekly breakdown on gold, US30, and as well all-time favorites, Bitcoin. So as always, see you guys shortly on the charts. MeyerFx out.
What's up, traders? It's Wade yet again from MeyerFx Trading. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all amazing. Hope you all had an amazing week last week. And yeah, what can I say? I haven't been here for a while, so I hope you guys have missed me. Those of you that don't, oh well. But yeah, as you all know, I will be doing my weekly breakdown on US30, gold, and as well Bitcoin. So guys, we'll be starting off with gold for now. And then from there on out, let's see what I'm happy with. Bitcoin, US30, we'll go from there. All right, let's start with gold. All right, so last week, gold actually nicely broke through the specific level of resistance to form new levels of support, which is here way down at 3350. So what I'm expecting for this coming week, more or less this week, to come through is actually for a nice pullback to new levels of support, which is down here 3350. Once that is there, right, and obviously as you all know, see consolidation, see rejection at 3350, then I'm hoping, right, as well with this crossover on the 30-minute, no, this is an hour, let me just go to the 30-minute as well. I need a crossover here, which happened already, so can we just go back to the hour? So then I'm waiting for a rejection and then a push and continuation into the bullish market. So then I will be going along. So for this coming week on gold, I'll only seem to go long because I like to see a pullback, like I said, and from there on actually a continuation further, even higher to 340. As you look left, there's a previous high mark right over there. If you look at that, so it's actually on the 4 hour as well. So I'm hoping market to actually chase these highs here at 34005. Well, 3400. But for now, I'm waiting actually for a nice pullback to this level of 3350. Those of you who want to sell down till down here, you're more than welcome to. I mean, at the end of the day, do what you please, do what you feel makes you happy, follow your own trading strategy. So yeah, like I said, when it comes to mine, I do not really take a lot of trades in the month or in the week. So I just wait for my setup and then I execute. So if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. I stay out, sit on my hands, and that's it. I guess that's the one thing that us traders do not do. We do not actually like sitting on our hands. We do not like, staying out of the market per se. At the end of the day, it's actually the best thing you can do. Just stay out if you do not feel comfortable, because the market is not going to run away. So guys, for this coming week, like I said, waiting for rejection here at this resistance level. But if I look at it, I think the market's going to open. Once the market opens tonight, right? I'm more or less going to think that the market's actually going to start here at the bottom. If not, it will actually consolidate here and then drop down and then reject it and continue. So I'm not sure how the market's actually going to open, but what I'm expecting is to pull down here to 3350 and then continue pushing further higher. All right, let's go to US30. So as you can see, US30 as well, like gold, it actually just skyrocketed further up into the up direction, into the bullish market, and it just went long. So for this coming week as well, same thing that I'm waiting for is a nice pullback further low to 45000, and then a continuation, maybe further higher, because I mean, I think this is the highest point that the US has actually been. If I look at it now, the 4 hour weekly, just check. Okay, it's taking too long. So yeah, so what I'm waiting for is a nice pullback, and then from there on, hopefully a nice continuation, pushing further higher up into the bullish market. Or what can actually happen, it can actually break through, reject, push further down to 44250, and then from there on push further higher. But for now, I'm waiting for US30 actually to come pull back further down, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to buy and go long. But taking into consideration, if I look at the 4 hour, take into consideration the specific level at 45282.7. So if I have to buy, and if I pull it further down, I'll most likely buy until this level, or like I said, from there on out. If you guys look, it's a level of support currently, so I'll have to wait for this level of support, and this is specifically on the hour time frame. I'll have to wait for this level to break before. But if I look on the 4-hour time frame, I'll actually like it to pull back down here and then continue, because if you look at the daily, it's actually at the level of resistance or support. That's your new support level on the daily. So that's what I'm waiting for, a nice pullback until this level and then a continuation further higher up. So then I will be going long until a certain level. Like I said, pull back, break that structure on the hourly, pull, and then continuation buying down. Or in simple terms, if you want to, actually, if you see a rejection there, which there is no rejection, then a continuation pushing the market down. So I will be selling then. But for me, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait till certain levels reject, certain levels pull back, and then actually continue further higher. All right. Now look at everyone's favorite, which is Bitcoin. I'm going to go to an hour time frame on Bitcoin. I'm actually looking to buy. So if you look at this, actually rejected these lows here, 11250, broke through level of resistance. So hopefully rejecting at new levels of support, and then actually continuing this bullish run or this bullish direction which the market is currently going into. So I will be focusing on actually buying on Bitcoin for this coming week further on, only until a certain level, which is a 11500. If level actually has to break and continue further pushing higher, I will be actually looking for something like this, but I don't think that will happen in this week. Most likely next week or the week after, and then it continues. So if I have to, for the market to go bullish, this is more or less the structure that's going to happen on Bitcoin. So for this week, like I said, I am going to look to go long on Bitcoin. I'm going to look to go long on gold, and as well then I'm just going to wait and see more or less what the US30 has in store. But this is the setup that I'll be looking at for Bitcoin, US30, and then as well gold. Gold, you guys know that's my favorite. I always focus on gold. Gold is like my safe haven for myself. But guys, if you guys got this far, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have an amazing week. And yes, always MeyerFx out. Thank you.